guys, how do you like my mask or nature cosmetics? We just got to the entrance of Popa Falls. We're going to check out Popa Falls. Hi guys, this is another video. I'm in the car. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Woven. If you are new here, you're most welcome. And if you're returning, thank you so much for stopping by. We are at the entrance of Popa Falls. So we'll be spending the day at Popa Falls and we'll be taking you guys along to just see what that's like. I hope you guys do enjoy the video. Please do subscribe, comment, like. Let's see what Popa Falls has in store for us. This is another video of traveling Namibia with Woven. I hope you guys do get to check these places out on your own, because it's really, really beautiful out here. But if you don't manage, come along, travel with me. Let's go. We got lost and now we are following that guy. He's leading us, the one in front. Yeah, the markings are not very clear here. That's one thing to note. Okay, we just got directions. You guys must be grateful the guy gave you directions. Oh, that is the buggy. In fact, it's just supposed to have spoken to Kwangali so you guys see. Oh.
I think let's park here. We're gonna keep your dogs in the yeah, no.
Okay, we just go to the falls. This is where it is. This is my first time at the falls. This is how it looks like. Okay? Okay. The current is not hard. Like it's not resistant.
No, I'm filming. I'm filming.
Guys, have you ever heard of a couple dying together because they decided to be adventurous? That's us right now. We are trying to go further into the falls. And I'm religiously following Hans. Wow. No, 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 no. He said no. Where are we trying to go to? Okay, isn't that slippery?
No, it's dry.
Okay, but this. Where do I step? Okay. Okay. Yay! We made it up here. Look at this beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Give you a 360 view. That's right. Yeah. Yeah. The beauty is here. Yeah. The struggle of passing through the falls is for real. Maril, the diesel. Then look at this. Then you go that way. The art of getting into the falls is real. Yeah? It's like a whale. I want to see how. I was like, what is my app? Why did I find it? Let's go. It's a lot. A lot. Yeah, the current is getting stronger. Okay, that was the first part of the falls. We're now going to the second part to see how the river further stretches. Yeah guys, if you're adventurous, it's a lot. If you want to take the nice pictures and see the nice places, you sort of have to go that extra mile. And our host just told us that they are now busy building a lodge, because we asked if there's a restaurant somewhere where we can just sit and eat, even if it's just light snacking, which is not there, but they are currently busy. This used to be a bar before lockdown.
They're building the lodge, so this is
Oh.
they have a boat. They're busy like constructing.
Oh. So this is part of the construction.
The water is low like this.
Is there another lodge that side?
Yeah.